Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will talk about some airdrop claims as well as some airdrops that you can still participate in. And we have created a detailed guide on most of these airdrops that we will be talking about. So in case if you want to see more details about that particular airdrop, you can check out that particular video. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video. The first airdrop project that we will be covering today is the Drift Foundation airdrop, and it is on Solana, and we have covered it in great detail. You can check out the video. And they are releasing 12% of their total supply in the airdrop, which is around 120 million tokens. So this is a great amount of tokens, but let's see what will be the price. You can simply check out this particular link, and I will be providing all these links in the description for you to access all these stuff quite easily. So you can simply check out your eligibility criteria for Drift protocol, and after that you would be able to check out the allocation of tokens to you. Some of the users are facing some problems over here. In case if you have already checked your allocation, you should check out again, because some of the users are saying that they had some allocation before, but now when they are checking it again, they are not getting any of the allocation from Drift. So you should also check it out and contact the support if you found any discrepancies in the airdrop. Also, this airdrop will have some bonus allocation for the people who will be claiming their airdrop a little late. Like if you wait for 6 hours before claiming your airdrop, you would be getting additional tokens or the bonus. They are just trying to prevent the excessive sell of the airdrop by the bots, and this way they would be denying some kind of airdrop to the bots out there, because every crypto project out there is tired of these bots, the airdrop farming bots to be precise, and this even harms the honest human airdrop farmers. So this is a good move, but let's see how it all will be allocated. Now let's move on to our another project, and it is by the Phoenix DeFi Hub. We have already covered it in a great detail in one of our videos. You can check that out. It is on the Stellar network, and this will be live till 7th of July. So make sure that you participate in it right now, as all the liquidity that you will be providing and all the APR that you will be getting on your liquidity, you would be getting double of that from this particular project. And this is what the airdrop is. This is the most honest airdrop I have ever seen, because they are exactly telling you how much airdrop you will be getting. You can even calculate your own airdrop before even participating. So this gives a great amount of transparency by any project out there. Instead of farming points, you are actually farming your airdrop according to your own strategies, and this is a good way. Now moving on to Silencio, we have covered this as well, and they have recently released this news of beta airdrop. So if you have been farming this particular points of Silencio, it is on the Peaq Network. We have talked about it also in great detail in one of our videos. All you have to do is just record the noise levels around you, and you would be getting points for that. How easy it was. And if you are someone who runs on daily basis, who walks on daily basis, this would have been a great airdrop for you. You can still participate in it. After getting some points, you would be getting into a league, and according to your league, you would be getting airdrop these points of Silencio. So let's see how it all unfolds. And they have recently shown that they would be giving out 3% of the total token supply as the airdrop. So I hope this all turns out quite well for all the users of Silencio. Now moving on to this particular one, it is the Lingo. We have covered it recently in one of our videos. The detailed video is out there for this as well. And let me remind you guys that I will be providing all the links in the description. You can open them up, and there will be referral links as well, so you can extend your support to our channel for providing this content. For Lingo, it is like the American Express card or the cards out there that are providing the benefits or the rewards to the users for using their cards. In the similar way, Lingo will be providing the benefits in the products or the services instead of the actual airdrop or other points. But still there is some airdrop of Lingo tokens as well, we will be seeing more details about it in future. But as for the products and services, you would be getting like Nike products or the discount on Nike products or the Netflix account for free, Spotify premium for free. So this kind of airdrops might be there in Lingo. Now moving on, the Peaq project we talked about in one of our videos. This is not the airdrop, but it is a coin list sale. So basically you will be getting cheaper Peaq tokens at much cheaper rate than it will be in the market. So you would be able to sell it up when it is listed on the centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, and you would be able to make profits. But still the airdrop will be different from this one, and Peaq airdrop is also there. I will be providing the links for this as well. Moving on, this is the Superform Labs airdrop, and if you participated in the airdrop watching our video, you would be able to claim this particular NFT over here. And it was just some registration and it was free airdrop, so you would be able to mint it. It is on the base network. All you have to do is just click on this option of mint all the rewards and you would be able to claim it up. Quite easy. Now moving on to GVRT, and we have not talked about it in any of our videos, but this is a good one too, and you still have a chance at it if you are a trader or someone who trades a lot in crypto. You would be able to get GVRT airdrop points and you can utilize them in order to get the zksync mystery boxes. And we all know how much everyone is waiting for this zksync airdrop since years now. So you would be able to get the raffle points or raffle tickets, and using these tickets you would be able to reveal these mystery boxes and get the mystery boxes in it, and they would give you some common or uncommon boxes, and on the basis of these boxes you would be getting some rewards when the airdrop launches. So quite easy it is for the people who don't know trading or who don't want to do trading. You just have to connect your socials over here and refer to your friends. Just referring some of your friends would give you some tickets and you can utilize these tickets after that. So this is how it will be working. I will be providing my link in the description. Only 2 people will be able to join for now using this code, and after that I will update the code for the rest of the people out there. So I hope this particular airdrop update video was helpful, and if you want to see more such videos related to crypto airdrops, the crypto fundamentals, crypto news and everything about crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next video.